Hi, this is Jayman and welcome to my channel. I'm going to teach you how to create a daytime makeup look and change it into evening look without removing again your makeup. The eyeshadow that I choose here has a warm tone perfect for dark brown eyes. So let's start. We'll begin with the foundation. My tip is choose a foundation that is suitable for your skin type for long-lasting effect. I'll distribute the foundation evenly using this foundation brush. Blend it with a damp beauty sponge to create an airbrush finish look. Next is concealer. Apply 1 to 2 shades lighter for your dark circles so it will give your eyes an instant lift and to conceal them easily. I'm using a concealer brush and lightly patting it to avoid streaks from the brush. Another tip is if you have imperfections that's hard to conceal, you can use first a color corrector. You can watch my tutorial about color correcting, just click the link on the upper right of this video, or you can check on the description box below. Next is loose powder. To set the liquid products we applied before, we're gonna use this loose powder and powder brush. Apply it again in patting motion for the same reason, to avoid streaks. It's optional, but you can also use a tapered blending brush for hard-to-reach areas such as under the eyes, sides of your nose, and chin. We'll be using this angled brow brush. We're gonna start below the arch and stop at the tail, then apply the excess on the front, same way on the upper, then fill it in. The excess line can be erased using a concealer with a flat eye definer or concealer brush. Lastly, blend using a spoolie. So, we're moving to eyelids. We're gonna apply an eye primer or concealer with damp beauty sponge as base and to conceal the veins and make the eyeshadow well saturated. Set them with loose powder. You can use any eyeshadow palette you have as long as it has matte basic shades. I'm pretty sure almost all palettes has orange in them. Using a blending brush, we're gonna start with matte orange. This will be our daytime eye makeup. Next is gel eyeliner. We're gonna use a synthetic angled brush to apply the liner precisely. We're aiming for a simple line here and not dramatic. It's like puppy eyes on those Korean eye makeup. Now, we're going to curl those lashes using an eyelash curler and curl them upward. We're not gonna put on some false lashes, so we will only apply coats of mascara on upper and lower lashes. For the lips, we'll be using a lip gloss. You can choose any lip gloss shade you want. For contour, apply 2 shades darker than your skin tone to achieve more natural look. So now, we'll be using this brown powder and angled powder brush to contour between the cheeks and jaw and tapered blending brush on the sides of the nose. Last is blush powder and fun brush. This shade is peach for more natural glowing look. For our evening look, so we'll begin on eyelids. Using the same palette and pencil brush, we're gonna apply dark orange on the outer V to add definition. And we're gonna blend using a blending brush to remove harsh line. For Smoky Effect, with an eyelid brush, we're gonna mix dark orange and shimmery brown, then apply it on the center eyelid. We're gonna add more brown shade on the same area. Going back to outer V, we will apply matte brown, then blend. On lower lash line, using this small smudge brush, we're gonna apply again this dark orange to have the same shade from the upper eyelid. On 1/4 below lash line, add some shimmery brown. And blend using a small tapered blending brush. For me, this type of blending doesn't apply to dark eyeshadow like black if you have dark brown eyes, because it will make you look like you haven't slept for ages, if you know what I mean. Next is we're gonna create thicker liner and extend it for more dramatic look. If time permits, you can add false lashes, but if you can't, just use volume mascara and curl them up. Last is apply a nude shade and avoid bold lipstick like red to prevent excessive makeup look and to complement with your smoky eyes. The lipstick that I have here is AVON in the shade of Divine Twig. And we're done! I hope you enjoy and follow this tutorial. Have a great day!